Hello friends, it's time to start the live stream. Thank you and welcome to the Digital Mitra channel. In this channel, I will be your digital friend answering all your queries about your digital questions or any of the issues that you are facing. Before we start with how to make money with Gmail, let me give a brief introduction about what Digital Mitra is and why I started it. I saw there's a lot of potential of digital. Everything is going digital nowadays, and a lot of people are aware of what digital is, but are they actually using day-to-day life? Maybe, maybe not. Just to make sure that everyone understands what digital means, how it is impacting their life, and how they can actually make use of this digital revolution. I thought of coming up with this platform where we can interact with anyone and everyone, whoever is interested in knowing digital, any queries about digital technology, anything about which you don't understand about the current information world. Here is your digital myth, your digital friend to answer all the questions. Okay, coming to today's topic, you can make money from your Gmail account. How? So many ways. But first thing you may think, what all you need to make money out of the digital, out of the Gmail. Yes. So if you have a Gmail account, definitely you must be having a smartphone or a desktop or a laptop and internet connection. And now that you are joining this webinar, this live stream, that means you definitely are interested in making money out of Gmail, and that shows your dedication. So by subscribing to this channel, you will receive notifications as and when I am posting any videos related to money making online or any such webinar which will help you grow in this digital world and help you make money from Gmail. Okay, so one may ask what all talents or skills are needed to make money using Gmail. Well, if you have any skills, like if you are a good singer, if you are a good dancer, if you cook exotic foods or even normal foods, if you are good at drawing, if you are good at gymnastics, if you are good at writing, if you are good at anything, you can make money off this Gmail account. And on top of that, even if you don't possess any of this talent, that is also good. Still, you can make money using your Gmail account. How? That's how that I'm going to answer that question of how. So, before we deep dive into how of the things, let me explain what, and then that will make sense to you. So let's say you have a Gmail account, and what all you things you do with your Gmail account? Well, at this point of time, you do watch YouTube. You may or you may not log into YouTube when you watch any of the videos. You search Google for any queries that you have. You may or you may not be logged into your Gmail account while doing that, and you may comment on some of the questions or some of the queries, or you may comment on YouTube videos or do whatnot. That's what is needed. Let's say if you are good at writing, you can start with a blog. If you are good at dancing or playing an instrument or acting, or you are a comedian, you can start a YouTube channel. If you are good at designing, you can help people design their logo, design some artwork which people themselves cannot do it. And if you are not good at any of these things, well, people on the internet who are creating these YouTube videos, who are writing blogs, who are doing so many other things, need audience. Yes, you are the audience. Those people are making money because you are watching their content. But are you getting paid for watching those content? Well, it depends on from where you come. So the whole thing about this making money with your Gmail is I'll be covering all the aspects of money making, right? Blogger, YouTube, digital marketing, creating logo, watching videos. Yes, just by watching videos. What talent do we need for watching videos? All you need is a smartphone or a laptop or a desktop, or internet connection, and time to watch videos. So if you really want to make money by using any of these steps, you can make it. But what is the time frame? If you are in here to make money right from tomorrow by using these techniques, well, hard luck. This will not be working. It will not work for anyone. But if you are willing to spend your 6 months time or a year time, definitely you can make money out of these channels. Why I am saying 6 months? Well, because in this 6 months you will understand the nitty-gritties of how things work. A system can be set for you, customized to your needs, customized to your preferences, so that you don't feel overwhelmed or disgruntled after some time, and then the whole thing will start falling in place around 3 to 6 months time, depending on various difficulties, various unknowns. Just to let you know, there are people making a lot of money. There are people who have just started making money, and there are people in the pipeline learning about digital marketing, learning about YouTube, learning about blogging, learning about anything digital. And they are just at the right position at the right time to make money out of internet. The only thing is the consistency and your positive attitude, which will help you in this journey. And me, as your digital friend, is definitely there to help you out with all your queries and all your questions. You may ask how to start a blog. Okay, I will tell you. You may say, I don't have money to start a blog. I don't have money to do anything. Well, I am here. I'll tell you what are the free channels to get started. And as you start with any of the skills or anything else which I'm going to tell you in this video, in this series of videos, and you start implementing it, and step by step you will see yourself growing. Let's say you start just, I don't have any skills. What do? I will tell you, I have put up a system, I have put up a process wherein you can go watch videos, do a few other stuffs online, and you will start making money. And let's say 2 months down the line, 3 months down the line, you understand how things are working, and you realize that okay, you have this nag of giving comments. Everyone watches movies, or everyone, if you may be a movie buff, you may like going out on trekking, visiting new cities, or just go out and eat food in your local area, in different cities, in your own cities, and then you are willing to share those experience either by writing or by creating a video. Even if you don't want to create a video, or if you don't want to write, you can request someone to do the same work for you, and both of you can grow. Let's say a person who is good, who have good writing skills, but he does not go out much. So two of you can collaborate, and you can share your experience. He can put your experience in his words, and boom, there you are on the internet, sharing your views, helping the world know which place is good to eat, which place better to avoid, which movie is good, which movie is better to avoid, and everyone gains. You keep on doing what you like, and people keep on getting what they want. This is the whole game of earning money with your Gmail account. So do comment down in this video topic you want me to cover. So in this is just the first introductory thing where I have shown you that yes, money can be made with Gmail. How, that I'll be telling in our next sessions. But yes, stay assured, stay confident that you can definitely make money from Gmail. Not immediately, but yes, over a period of time. Every good thing in life takes time. So does this. So now I'll be taking any questions if you have any of these questions. Okay, so the first question is, how do I start free with all these things? Well, yeah, I'll be telling you step by step depending on what skills you want or in which area you want to go. Let's say if you want to go create a blog, I can tell you and how to create a free blog. If you want to create a video, I can tell you how to create videos, what all things to add to make your videos more interesting, and how to share those videos across people. Definitely, one point will come where you are good or you have started creating the content on YouTube, on blog, on other platforms, but no one is watching it. Then what's the point in doing it? If no one watch it, no one will be putting ad on your content, and if no one is putting ad on your content, you won't be able to earn anything. Then comes the next step. Once you are done with your content creation or whatever field you have decided, I'll help you with step by step process of marketing your content. In case you have opted in as having no talent, no problem. I'll be showcasing you how by doing certain things still you can earn money out of this internet. So creating content is definitely one thing. That is the point of where we start. If you cannot create content, collaborating with someone who is good in creating content, where you share your experience, he creates the stuff for you, and both of you win. Once the content is online, how to promote that content so that people come and watch your content. You get view time, you get time, you get attention, and you create your own digital brand. So first thing is creating content. Second comes marketing, and with marketing, we will also dive into the brand you. How do you want the world to know you as a person, as a entity, as a brand? So we will follow the step-by-step guideline wherein the whole branding will be done for you. With so many social channels around Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, and whatnot, we will make all these our friends, and we will, by taking their help, we will create a brand you. Yes, so that anyone who searches about that particular brand, he will be popped up with your name, with the solution that you provide, and that's what will make you grow in this digital world and will put more money in your pocket. Okay, friends. So with this, I'll be closing this live stream. Thanks for joining, and do comment down below which stream you want me to cover first, and we can meet next time. Just subscribe to my channel, hit on that bell icon, and you will get the notification whenever I am doing a next